Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a top box versus top box. They are definitely coming out with regular plain boxes. Nothing pizzazzy about these, just very plain. So this is September and October's. Wow, I had to think about that for a second. I did not know what month we were in. Let's just dive right into September's. So they're both very light this year, these months. So here is what's in this one. Kind of looks interesting. So let's dive into the first thing here. This here is a Clarins Paris. Surprise, surprise. What the heck is this though? This is a lash serum mascara. The brush is made from cotton fibers and castor oil fiber. Sure. Apparently this is a 2-in-1 product. It prepares lashes for mascara and it nourishes from root to tip. So I guess it's like a serum for your lashes, but okay. So it's just like a clear serum for your lashes. There's 3 milliliters in here. There are 2 more items in here, or sorry, 3 more items in here. This, another French thing, I think. Maybe not. This is, I've never even heard of this brand. This is an anti-aging cream apparently. It says try me. So that's what the actual packaging looks like. And this is what my sample looks like. This is kind of, I mean, to be fair, these boxes are getting worse and worse. This is 3 milliliters of a product. This is a 3-in-1. It says on here, anti-aging. There is a code if you want to use a discount, but like this isn't going to do me anything. I'm not going to even know. I'll never buy this product because how am I supposed to know what this is going to do? All right, so the next 2 things in here are, I guess, better decenter sizes. And this is from, I believe, this is the Aqua Bomb Brightening Vitamin C Serum. Or, yeah. So, of course, it's very, very small. It's very deceiving. Looks like you're getting a lot. It's 10 milliliters. Smells like, well, kind of smells very citrusy. I like how on the packaging it says sample, not for sale. So all of the things Topbox right now has been giving us is pretty much samples of stuff that they're probably getting for free. Apply to face and neck, so it's a face and neck cream. And the last thing in here is in a little package. And, oh, this might actually be a full size. Look at that. So this is from Laritzi, and this is Laritzi Cosmetics, and this is called Deluxe Powder. This is a deluxe powder in blood orange, it's called. What the heck blood orange is, I don't know. So it's cute packaging, I like it. Oh, it's a pressed blush is what it is. This is blood orange. I mean, I like that, that's pretty. Yeah, I think I would definitely wear that. That's pretty. Like with my skin tone too, that'd be really nice. I actually like that. All right. Oh, and it comes with a little mirror in here. But yeah, so that is box number 1. Out of everything, I'll definitely use this. Definitely gonna use this. I'll use the serum just because I want to kind of give it a go. Considering I do use everything Clarins actually gives me, will I buy it? No, because I get it so many times in these boxes that I don't really need to buy it. But now for October's box. Let's take a look at this. Oh, look, another Laritzi product right on top. Apparently I can't get away from it. So let's go with the first thing in here that I'm seeing, which is a Clarins Paris SOS product. This is an SOS primer. You can hear it shaking around in here. So it's a teeny tiny little face primer. It is goop on my pants. It's kind of got a little bit of a sheen to it. I don't know if you can see that on my hand, but it's got a little bit of a, oh, it is, oh, it smells like France. Ooh, it's very scented. I do not think that that is going to be something I want on my face. So this actually says that it minimizes signs of fatigue. That word, when you're tired and you're looking tired and crusty and dusty, apparently that's what it does. So there's that. And then I'm going to go into this here, and this is from Benefit. We love us a Benefit product, and this is 24-hour brow setter. So this is probably a brow mascara. Ooh, it is. I really like their packaging. It's super cute. This is probably clear. And I'm right. Ooh, I like that brush. That looks pretty cool. So, like there isn't a whole lot of product in here, to be fair. But this is 2 milligrams of product, which is even less than like this. So, yeah. But that is something I will probably try to use. I don't really use a brow setter. I probably should, but I don't. Then there are 2 more products in here, and let's go with this next one. So this is a Clinique Smart Night Moisturizer. It's a custom repair. This is quite big. This is definitely a sample size. This is not their regular sizes for their face creams, but it is a lot bigger than all the other sample sizes. This is for dry combination skin. Literally nowhere does it say how many ounces it is. Not for resale, it says. And last thing in here is this here from Laritzi Cosmetics, which I think it's starting to become like a Clarence Paris situation in here with the Laritzi's, but at least they're full-size products. So this is a cream highlighter in Halo, it's called. Woohoo, Halo is right. So that is what it looks like. That's great. Do I want to swatch it? Yeah, sure. I don't think that's going to highlight anything on my... Well, actually, it's kind of yellow, though. It's not too bad. I probably need an actual brush for this. Probably not putting on powder is not the best idea. It just blends into my skin. It's a little too light for me, but I mean, I could try other ways to use it maybe. It's not too bad. I mean, compared to the other side, there's no highlighter. So, yeah. All right, well, there's that. So let me just see what I will use out of this. I will definitely use a Clinique cream because I love Clinique. And I will probably use the brow setting stuff. I'll probably try to figure out a way to set my brows. I'm going to use the primer because why not? And then I'll try a few different ways to kind of use this highlighter. Well, that was a definitely short and sweet video. That is literally everything for September and October's top boxes. The way things are going, I'm not super impressed with them. So honestly, October's was definitely a little bit better than September's box. Will I continue to get them? I don't know. I mean, one box is like $15.75, I think, Canadian a month. It's not too bad. Am I missing BoxyCharm? Yes, a little bit. Do I want to pay the prices for BoxyCharm? Definitely not. BoxyCharm right now is, if I were to get BoxyCharm, I would be paying more than $50 for it. So that's why I don't have BoxyCharm anymore. Plus, I don't like the fact that Ipsy took over. I never really liked Ipsy. So there is that. Anywho, well, I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!